we are going to learn the techniques of constructing quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals are different, so are the techniques. Also, we will be asked to construct different quadrilaterals under different conditions. So, we have to learn the different set of steps for different construction. Keeping in mind the varieties, we will learn all possible cases in a series of videos. Following are some important points we need to remember through the entire series. Number 1, we need to draw a rough freehand sketch before the final drawing. One rough sketch may not be matching the final one, but that will surely help in the final drawing. Number 2, we have to draw by ruler and compasses only. Protractor will never be used. I would suggest you to watch the series named Drawing Angles if needed in this channel. You can find the I button at the top right corner of your screen. The series contains 4 videos for learning how to draw angles, reconstructing and bisecting them without a protractor. Number 3, we need to have a sharp pencil since we are generally expected to draw by pencil. Number 4, we need to have a well-functioning compasses and a good ruler for an accurate drawing. This video is the first episode of the series. Let us start. Let us draw the rough sketch according to the question. This is our rough sketch. Now let us draw the reference lines. Now we will draw one line segment on the main space. Take a point as A on it. Measure 6 centimeters for AB. This point is B. Now we will draw 145 degrees at A. If you have any difficulty in drawing angles by using a ruler and compasses, you can watch the videos in this channel and you will get the I tab on the top right corner of your screen. This is 45 degrees and D will be lying on that line segment. So measure 6 centimeters from A. This point is D. Now measure 5 centimeters to get C. We will draw one arc from D with 5 centimeter radius. Then we will measure 3.6 centimeters to draw another arc from B to intersect the previous arc to get C. This point is C. Now we will join DC and BC respectively. We have got our final construction. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. We will draw the rough sketch again. Remember, the rough sketches may not be matching the actual one, but it will help. Now the reference lines. Now on the main space one line segment, take B this time. From B we will measure 4 centimeters to get C. Another arc with radius 4 centimeter from C for D, and then a 90 degrees at B. So this is our 90 degrees. According to the question and the rough sketch, we need another 90 degrees at C, but we will not draw another 90 degrees at C. Rather, we will try to construct a square by taking BC as one of its sides. We will also not draw the square actually. We will try to find D. Watch this part of the video carefully. Here I am measuring all 4 sides of a square with 4 centimeters. That would have been the square, but we are not drawing it. If you join these 2 points, we will get another 90 degrees. So D will be lying on it, and that is D definitely. Now 6 centimeters for A. This point of intersection is A. Join AD. So you have got A, B, C, D. So simply. We will learn a few more steps to draw the quadrilaterals in the next episode.